We first interacted with Infinia and with Gaurav ji during our Manesar solar rooftop installation. The first feedback I got was from our team that they're a very professionally oriented, very good organization. I had, of course, interacted with Gaurav ji. I think we connected over LinkedIn first, and then we had a first interaction. And the presentations that they prepare for every meeting are spot on. Very well structured, good setup, good team. And it was not just professional, but I think good people to work with. So that is very important for a company like ours. Then I also recommended them to our knowns to do other projects, and I got the same feedback that they have a very vast number of suppliers, vendors which they work with, and the options that they're providing us, detailed calculations. So it actually gives you a lot of confidence that whatever is being done properly, meticulated task. It is not just that they want to sell something or they just want to give you a solution and then move away or get their money. It was not like that. They understand our business. They understand that it is our, let's say, we need to spend time in our business. So they work as a partner to actually grow this renewable or solar space with you. Excellent team. And especially Gaurav ji is leading it really well. So if you have any type of need for this renewable, solar, wind, or any type of tasks, please reach out to them, and I'm sure they'll do a splendid job for you. Thank you so much.